The 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar in a real sense, all things considered, is actually areas of strength for really an unpretentious way. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 72 cents, all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo explicitly is floating at $4,322,880 in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo down roughly 3.3% inside the in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours, or so they truly thought. 09 December 2023, in this video we will fundamentally most certainly walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, especially attempt to answer these regularly basically sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What basically will be fundamentally transient cost expectation for Nexo, basically by and large is Nexo an especially wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Nexo support and opposition levels and so on, which fundamentally basically is very critical. Be that as it may, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Nexo specialized examination, in a real sense truly let us sort of discuss the really current economic situations, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,642,155,706,569 in an actually essentially significant manner. The fundamentally absolute exchanging volume by and large stands at $68,939,985,961, which in a real sense is genuinely critical, which is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 52.26% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally truly has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way, which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,889.86 level after a vertical development of 1.48%, which fundamentally basically is genuinely huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally most certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $2,361.87 during the past 24 hours, which by and large is very huge. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 68 cents, following a value change of 5.62% inside a similar time span, exhibiting that however prior to plunging truly profound into the Nexo specialized investigation, sort of allowed us truly to discuss the essentially current economic situations, or so they sort of thought. BNB the sort of in every practical sense, local coin of BNB especially is up by 2.84 and presently exchanging at $241.09 in a truly significant manner, which truly is genuinely huge. Furthermore, Solana came to $76.08 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 6.43% in esteem in a for the most part significant manner. These occasions in a real sense generally show that the market basically is going in a genuinely descending course for quite present moment, or so they most certainly thought. As of now, a general truly quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a really significant manner. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically especially are significant specialized markers used to sort of distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. Support basically is a level at which purchasers explicitly essentially become a lot of in every practical sense, all the more by and large lovely dynamic, and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly shows that right now, a genuinely broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which sort of truly is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which vendors sort of become move kind of dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to by and large distinguish truly all things considered. Key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they for the most part explicitly thought. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution. The truly current Nexo cost generally is 72 cents, with an exchanging volume of $4,322,880 in the truly beautiful beyond 24 hours. Showing how support basically is a level at which purchasers explicitly become essentially more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which quite all goals and purposes shows that right now, a kind of especially broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market and in every practical sense, significant way, or so they thought. At present, Nexo generally truly is somewhere near 3.3% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $405,440,629 United States dollars, exhibiting how the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar certainly explicitly is major areas of strength for truly, so they especially thought, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Nexo Value Examination Nexo Cost Examination for 09 December 2023, inside an especially everyday time span, really made sense of underneath, showing how the genuinely complete exchanging volume truly remains at $68,939,985,961 in a truly significant manner. We utilize essentially relative strength INDEX RSI, moving most certainly sort of normal combination and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including fundamentally basic moving extremely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving commonly normal, EMA, to by and large explicitly break down the future development of the Nexo. Showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo for the most part is drifting at $4,322,880 in a kind of most certainly significant manner. The Nexo by and large has truly break all its for the most part, especially upholds levels, and things for the most part are not looking very great for the crypto market, which truly shows what in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,889.86 level after a vertical development of 1.48%, or so they all things considered, thought. Right now, really bears explicitly are in charge of the market and effectively in every practical sense take Nexo cost beneath the urgent help level of 82 cents, which especially shows that Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 72 cents in an unpretentious way. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 44 and basically essentially is attempting to for the most part break out of the nonpartisanship zone, exhibiting how right now, a sort of broad by and large regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. While Nexo's Williams %R marker in every practical sense is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, fundamentally all things considered, signal most certainly is especially conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo basically is floating at $4,322,880 in a truly significant manner. The MACD line especially generally is remaining above of the fundamentally in every practical sense signal line after a for the most part certain hybrid, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $2,361.87 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly is very critical, or so they thought. Nexo financial backers need to fundamentally hang tight for any directional change over the inevitable